Are you looking for a cooking thermometer but don't know which one to choose? Well, you're in the right video. That's what we're going to cover. Whether it's for perfectly cooked meats or mastering your pastries, an accurate kitchen thermometer is essential. We've tested several models and selected the top 3 cooking thermometers of 2024, based on speed, accuracy, and ease of use. You'll find the links to these products in the description below. Don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Here are the top 3 cooking thermometers, from the cheapest to the most expensive. Let's get started. We begin with the ThermoPro TP-03B, a digital thermometer designed to provide fast and accurate temperature readings for your cooking. It delivers results in 3 to 5 seconds with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit, plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius, covering a temperature range from minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 50 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. Its large backlit LCD screen makes reading easy, even outdoors or in low light conditions. The 3.9-inch stainless steel probe has a foldable design for easy storage and added safety. It's particularly well suited for measuring the temperature of meats, frying oil, candies, and liquids, making it versatile and indispensable for your barbecues, roasting, or kitchen preparations. Powered by a AAA battery, it offers an extended lifespan compared to other models. Additionally, it conserves energy with its auto-off feature after 10 minutes of inactivity, maintaining efficiency without wasting energy. Next, we've selected a thermometer from the Alpha Grillers brand, which you can find the reference for in the description below. This tool is essential for cooking enthusiasts, whether professionals or hobbyists. With an ultra-fast response time of 2 to 3 seconds and remarkable accuracy, this thermometer ensures perfect cooking for your meats, candies, or other dishes. It comes pre-calibrated and also offers a recalibration function for optimal measurements over time. Its large digital display with blue backlighting allows for easy temperature reading, even in the dark. This model is designed to be water resistant, with an IP66 protection rating, making it easy to clean under running water. It's perfect for use in tough cooking environments like barbecues, grills, or air fryers. The Alpha Grillers thermometer also makes an excellent gift idea, presented elegantly in a foam box, ready to be given for Christmas or any other occasion. Finally, we finish with a thermometer from Vauno. This wireless thermometer is the ideal tool for monitoring the cooking of your meats and foods while giving you the freedom to move away from your grill or smoker. With a range of 490 feet, it allows you to monitor the temperature remotely, much farther than traditional Bluetooth thermometers. It's equipped with 3 waterproof IPX7 probes, with a non-slip design and a downward pointing probe tip, allowing for an instant reading in 1 to 3 seconds for optimal accuracy. This thermometer offers a unique feature that lets you monitor both the meat temperature and the ambient temperature of your grill or oven, alerting you if the temperature exceeds your set limits. It comes with preset temperature settings for 8 types of meat and the recommended cooking levels according to the USDA. Its user-friendly interface, clearly separated buttons for meat settings and the timer, and easy-to-read digital screen make it a simple tool to use, even for beginners in the kitchen. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.